Out here, the sea tests more than your strength. It tests your spirit, your patience, your will. But when the winds roar and the waves rise, it's not the steel of the ship that keeps us going, it's each other. Mentorship at sea isn't a title, it's a bond. It's passing down wisdom earned through storms and sweat. A look that says, I've been where you are, let me help you get there. There are days when the body breaks, when the mind bends, but in those moments, unity lifts us. A shared joke, a helping hand, a quiet, you have got this. We speak different languages, we wear different flags, but on board, we are one crew, one voice, one heartbeat. In the face of chaos, we don't panic, we act together. That's the power of trust, the power of training, the power of unity. Out here, unity isn't just a value, it's our lifeline. It's how we sail, it's how we survive, it's how we grow. Because strength doesn't come from standing alone, it comes from standing